Hi everyone, I am Wira. So today I'm gonna show you how to learn basics programming in Arduino without paying anything. I mean, if you need to study about Arduino, at least you need to buy Arduino itself. But today you don't need to buy anything. As long as you have stable internet connection, you're good to go. So how will we do it? Let's check it out. Alright, first things that you need to do is make sure that your PC is connected to internet, and then after that you can access this website, tinkercad.com. After you arrive in this website, if you already have an account, you can directly join. However, if you do not have any account yet, you can choose join now, and then you can create personal account, and then you can choose sign in with Google or sign up with email, or maybe we can just sign in with Google, it's fine. Alright, after you are arriving in this window, you can click directly to circuits here, and then you just need to click create new circuits here. Here it is. Now you have blank space. Then what do you want to make? For example, if you need Arduino, then you just need to type Arduino here, and then you get it, and then click and drag here. Now you have Arduino. Now if you want to make a project, for example, I want to make a servo project here, then I just need to click servo, just perfectly like this. And then if you want to connect the servo to the Arduino, just need to do this one. For example, this one is ground, then I can connect this one into ground. I click here and change the color if you want. I want to change to black, and then I will connect this to power. I will use 5-volt power here, and I will change to red. And then one more is for the signals. I will choose pin number 7 here. Alright, so here it is, as simple as this. And if you want to make the code, you just need to click here. There's the code. You can choose. Now there are so many block diagrams here if you want to use it. But if you don't want to use it, you can directly go for text and then continue. But I suggest you to use the blocks if you are a beginner, because using blocks is very easy. For example, this one, I just need to delete this. Here, because we are using servo here, let's choose servo here. Just need to drag here, and then we can modify to the text. Look, the program has already set up. Now first is include servo.h. It is the library of the servo itself. And here servo 0. I don't want to make these complicated names. That's why I'm gonna use just servo 1. And then since I changed the name into servo 1, I want to tell Arduino that my servo is attached to the pin number 7. That's why I'm gonna change this one into servo 1 is attached to pin number 7 here. And then in the void loop, I will change this one also. Now I'm commanding the servo to move. I got servo 1 right 0 degree, but I don't want this. I want 90. This means 90 degree. Then I will delay for 1 second, and then I will command the servo to move to 0 degree. Servo 1 right 0, and then I will delay for 1 second. That's it. Let's see the movement. If my program is correct, then the servo will move 90 degree here, and then back to 0 degree again. Let's start the simulations.
Wow!
So that's it. My program is correct.
So how is it? So easy, isn't it? So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video if you like it, and give me some comments. And don't forget to practice every day, because practice makes perfect. So see you in my next video.